Hello, my family. Hope you guys are good. Somebody asked me that Kareem, that can our e-visa come out if you are in UAE and we're in overstay? Yes, your e-visa can come out even if you're in overstay. Why? Because you are not absconded while you're in overstay. If you are absconded while being also in overstay, you might have overstay fines and you might be also absconded. Then your e-visa will not come out. Remember this thing: your absconding stops your new e-visa to come out, and your fines stop you from changing your status from the old visa to the new visa. So if you're absconded, your new visa will not come out. But if you just have fines, you're not absconded, then your e-visa will come out, but your status will not change. In the system, you'll be still shown that you're on the old visa, unless you pay your fines and change your status to the new visa. So change status is done when your fines are cleared. But if you have abscond, then even your new visa will not come out. So hope you get the point. So those are two things which stop different processes. Please share this video with your friends also, and follow my account for more updates on UAE visas. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as always say, God bless Africa. One love.